learn how to edit your video or your picture from this to this. Okay, in this video I'm going to be teaching you that, and it's going to be very, very simple. Let's dive into it immediately. Bring in that particular video you want to edit. Once you are done, you select the clip. When you select a clip, you are going to be scrolling here. You scroll till you see retouch. Are you seeing this retouch? You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you click on face. Once you click on face, now you see this one that has pro. These ones, please don't go there except you want to pay for it. You click on smooth, the ones that doesn't have pro. Now you're going to take this smooth. You're going to take smooth to 50. Okay, if you take it, so that if you take it to 100, it's the face will be too smooth. So let's take it to 50. After that, you go over to your whitening. You can just adjust this a little bit. Then you go over to your white teeth. You can take it to 60. Okay, after that you can save it as a present. Okay, now apply to all clips. All right, you now click on confirm. Now after that, you are going to click on this good. All right, now as you can see how look at, you know how this video was before. You can see how smooth it is now. Now after that, what are you going to still do? You go back. When you go back, you are going to go to adjust. Now you click on this adjust here. Look at it here. You click on adjust. When you click on adjust, what are you going to do? You are going to select the first one, brightness. Just take it a little bit. Take it a little bit up. Let's say I'm taking it to 10. Okay. Then you go over to contrast. You take contrast to 8. Saturation, you take saturation to 15. Brilliance, you take brilliance to -5. Okay, let me take it to -8. Sharpen, you take sharpen to 100. Clarity, you can just take it to 100 if you want. Then graphs, you just take graph. Don't worry about graph, it's not important. Your highlight, you can just take it a little up. Just take it to like 8. 8 is okay. Shadows, take shadows to -10. So as you're adjusting, you'll be seeing the difference. Just take shadows to -10. The blacks, can just take the black, take it to -5. Temperature, take it to +7. And then this one, this is it vignette or what? You can just take it a little +5. So you see how the video is. Okay, after that, you click to apply to all clips, so that all the clips, this one now, so that all the clips will have the same adjustment. Now you can go over to your filters. I like clear. Okay, I like clear, so you can still go over and check the one that you want. You can make some a little adjustment, but for me, I love this clear here. Okay, so that is it. After that, your videos is good to go. Look at how neat your videos is now. So as you can see, the videos is so good now. Okay, so this is your videos now, looking so sharp. After that, you export your videos. Okay guys, I believe by now you should have known how to edit your pictures and videos to be looking professional. If you have done it, let me know in the comment section. All right, and as you can see, it's absolutely free. And don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, comment, and like this video for more tips like this. Bye.